out of the woods, literally. Yeah, literally, we're out of the woods. Let's go. We're not on that side. We have to take that. We're going to take this and then turn left. And then look at the end of the trail. Into the woods. Wala na tayo sa kabias na. Yeah, here's the white. Yay! Ano nangyari? Ano here? Tayo makakadaan. Okay, time to select our war weapon. It's this one here. We'll do road bike right now. We'll do Windsor loop. Short Windsor loop. Maybe around 40k lang yun. Will not take that long. So road bike tayo ngayon. Alright. Ready tayo. Alright, this is our starting point to for the Windsor Loop. Nasa east side tayo ng Windsor, close dito sa tinitira namin. We're going down south of Easy Row, and then we'll take going west. Just follow me, okay? Ano yun? There's an ambulance there. Yeah, ambulance there, or police. See what's going on there. Baka hindi tayo makadaan dito Makakadaan yata. May harang na police. Yun. Iikot tayo sa kabila. Oh no. Dahil yung iikutin natin. Yay! Ano nangyari? Why not here? Oops, ay parak. Ano nangyari doon? Tayo makakadaan. Yun, pinabalik tayo ng pulis. Tangkita nyo naman. Hinarang tayo ng pulis, so hindi tayo makakadaan dito sa trail na to. So that means iikot tayo dun sa may sa pinakamadaling daan ito. Doon na sa may Lawson Parkway. That's the easiest. Okay, follow me. Lawson Parkway tayo. Tayo makadaan dito sa trail na to. Alright. Let's go. Sa trail. May mga police investigation. So, ikot tayo dito sa may sa may bandang WFCU. Tayo makadaan doon sa may sa may release ng train. may investigation na nangyayari. Okay. Ano ni? Okay, nasa Lawson Parkway tayo. No, Lawson Road. Time check, 9:12 AM. 9:12, nandito pa rin tayo sa Windsor East. Kasi nag-detour tayo dun sa actual trail. Merong police investigation. So pero daanan pa rin natin yung part ng trail na dapat nating daanan para makita nyo yung extent. Let's go. Dito dapat ang lusot natin kanina. Kung hindi naharangan nung may police investigation doon sa may train tracks, dito sana lusot natin, ganun din. So na-delay lang tayo ng mga 3 minutes. Okay, time check, it's 9:15. We're still at Windsor East. We'll try to do Windsor Loop ngayong araw. It's a public holiday, kaya less yung mga cars. So come with me. Let's go. Alright, dito tayo ngayon sa intersection ng Lawson Road and Forest Glade. Okay, time check, it's 9:21 AM. Still long way to go para sa Windsor Loop. Let's go. Okay, we are at Lawson Parkway. Okay, pasok tayo dun sa trail dun sa kabila. Wait tayo dun sa intersection. Nakalimutan natin pindutin yung walk button. Yan. Let's wait for a proper walk sign. Medyo busy itong strip na to. Okay, Detroit River Cleanup Project. Okay, first time natin dumaan dito sa trail na to. Papunta na tayo ng south of Easy Row. Mag-Windsor Loop tayo ngayon. So, that's Easy Row. Yan. On top of us is Easy Row Overpass. Okay, we're heading south of Easy Row. Right now, we're officially on south of Easy Row. So, yep, we're on the south of Easy Row now. Let's continue and then we'll head west. So, passing towards the industrial area. Slow down tayo dito. May train tracks. Crossing the train tracks. Okay. There we go. Time check. What time is it? 9:31. So far we covered almost 9 kilometers only from our place. Not that far. That's the bike lane. Oh my gosh. Headwinds brutal. Easy Row is on the top right of me. Easy Row Expressway. We're here right now at the what's this? Forgot this road. I don't know what this road is. For all I know, we are on the trail, bike trail. So let's just keep on pedaling and we'll complete this Windsor Loop. doing Windsor Loop right now. We're here in South Windsor, approaching Walker. We passed by dun sa industrial area. Okay. Time check, it's around 9:48 a.m. We're about to cross Walker Road. See that? Okay. And it's a stop sign, so we have to obey the law. Stop sign. Alright. Okay, we are on the right track. Heading towards Devonwood. Along Cabana. Dun sa mga wooded area. Up ahead. We'll go there inside the woods and then we'll hit Cabana and then turn right going south. We're not even halfway. Time check, it's 9:54 a.m. Going to Devonwood. Morning sa Lake Cabana. Okay, we are at Devonwood right now. You can see lots of woods. That's why it's Devonwood. Okay. Just follow the trail. Kita niyo yan, Mandaya. Nasa wooded area tayo ngayon. You can see all around us. Yan. We're at Devonwood right now. But the ground packed solid. Yan, nakita niyo yan. So nature, naturey. Naturey daw, naturey. Slow down lang tayo dito. Almost there. The end. Ground is not that bad. Hindi ka pang trail, oh. Know that. Morning! Tayo nakasalubong ng isang rider. Obviously, EP. Alright, dito. Lamig. Lamig ng hangin. Kaya tayo sa Kabiasnan. Sulpot natin ito. Time check, it's 9:58. Still at Devonwood. Ikot-ikot lang tayo dito sa woods. Hindi tayo nakakalabas. Mukhang na-engkanto na tayo. Nakakalabas din tayo dyan. Yata exit. I think exit is up ahead. Yeah, yes. P meaning people. No, parking lot. Okay. Tanaw ko na yung mga parking lots dun. Yung mga cars pala dun sa parking lot. We're out of the woods, literally. Yeah, literally, we're out of the woods. Let's go. And time check, it's 10 a.m. So far, we covered 15K from our place. So, dito tayo ngayon sa ano to? Cabana? Yes. Provincial to Cabana. We'll go straight. may gravel. Tingin ko okay naman yung tires natin. 32mm tires. Oakwood natural area. Yan. Again, we're literally out of the woods. Okay. Let's check this out. See if this is the trail. Okay. Ito yung Grand Mare watershed. Okay, let's check where we are right now. Let's check our location. Yeah, we're back in the woods. We're at South Windsor right now. So, paikot-ikot na naman tayo sa woods. But it's not bad. Ganda naman yung daan. Okay. Saan tayo? Yan, medyo nakakaligaw lang ng konti pero may map naman tayo. Yan, may ibang daanan. Dito tayo galing. Come from here. So we come from that side. We're not going to take that. We're going to take this and then turn left. And then at the end of the trail. Okay, puro woods. Wala na tayo sa kabihasnan. Right here. Thank you. Morning. Crossroad. Check the crossroad. Where is this heading? Okay, according to the map, I should go this way. According to the map, I should go this way. Okay. Yan. We're not out of the woods yet. Yan. Sa wooded area pa rin tayo. Park. Wala nang katao-tao. Kanina may tao dito. Ngayon wala na. Uy, may deer dun. Silipin natin yung deer sa banda ron. Puntahan natin yung deer. Tapos balik tayo dito. Deer. Dino. Ayan yung deer. Deer on the wild. Yan, nasa wild. Deer. Yan. Okay, time check. It's 10:33 a.m. What's this? Still Brunette Park. Still south of Windsor. Sa wooded area pa rin tayo. Ayan na. At then, dun sa may stop sign, Air Gray Parkway na yan. So everything will be played from here. Turn left tayo. Ayan, punta tayo Mountain Park. there. Alden Park, Woodland Trails. Then we'll take a break here. Sandwich. Right. On my lap. Kaya quality is not so good. Yan. That one. Sa Gordie Howe Bridge construction crossing to the US. So we're still at Micmac Park. Turn right here. Then we'll hit Sandwich Town. Ay, sama ng daan. We are at Queens Road right now. Time check, time is it? 11 a.m. Okay, Sandwich Mackenzie Hall on my right. Yeah, we're still at Sandwich Town, west of Windsor. You can see up ahead the Ambassador Bridge and the Ambassador Bridge, and then we'll take the riverside. And the famous Art of Sandwich Town. But we're heading out. Yan. Famous Art of Sandwich Town. We'll go to the roundabout. Windsor Riverside. Ayun muna tayo. Last break. Stretch. First time lang natin pupunta dito sa taas na to. Tignan lang natin yung view. Yan, first time ko nakaakyat dito. Alright. That's a view. Okay. mile. Detroit, Michigan, yun sa kabila. Alright. Ngayon ako nakapunta rito. Okay. Then, let's go home. Medyo lobat na tayo eh. So, time to go home. Malapit na tayo. Wala na tayong supply. Sige, paraan tayo ng train. Oh, no. Oh, sarado. Wala tayong magagawa dito. Bante na. Alright. Time check, 11:48. I don't know what part is this. It looks nice. Yeah, there's the diamond. Okay. Lawson Road. We'll go to the other side, then the farm track, and then the Nacho Trail. And then we're home. We complete the loop. Okay. Let's go. Hey, almost home. Ba, walang tao sa farm track ha. Farm track is empty. Alog utak ko dun ah. Okay, this is it. This is where the official start this morning. And dun sarado kanina, dun sa may train tracks. Oh, sarado pa rin hanggang ngayon. Okay, so we officially closed the Windsor Loop. So, just a few, maybe 1 kilometer, and we're home stretch.